Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have another mail call, and again, this one is from Star Spangled Collections on Instagram. Go ahead and check out their Instagram page. They have plenty of coins available that clearly I'm buying from them pretty often, so definitely go ahead and check them out. I love their stuff, so let's go ahead and just jump into it real quick. So a little bit about these coins. There's two coins in here, and I just saw them, thought that they were pretty cool, and I actually they're not any scarce state or anything like that. They're just, I tend to like the coins from they're both 1885. I can kind of spoil that a little bit, but I thought it was pretty cool. And in 2017, PCGS allowed for what they were calling the retro labels. So you get the labels back from Gen 1 to the earlier ones. So obviously Gen 1 was the Rattler, but it was pretty cool just to kind of get the retro label. I haven't come across too many of them. I know that they're out there, but yeah, Gen 1. Nothing too crazy. They're not really not a whole lot of toning. You do have a little bit of rim toning on here, but nothing to go crazy over. I do like the retro labels, but this one's the MS62, and to be honest with you, whenever I saw it, it definitely looks better in 62. I'm not gonna lie to you. Another retro Gen 1. $1885. But yeah, one of the main reasons, again, besides the cool retro labels, again, these were just priced really nicely. So definitely go ahead and check out Star Spangled Collections on Instagram, and tell them I sent you, because again, great coins over there, great price, quick shipping, good dude. But here they are side by side. Let me know in the comments if what kind of coins you think that I should start collecting. Should I keep going for more of the Morgans? Should I continue to add to my proof type set? What would you guys like to see? But again, thank you very much for your time. Hope you have a good day.